Hello people, and for today I'll be showing you how to fix Valorant Error Code VAL 5. And a lot of the steps are quite similar to when you're fixing Error Code VAL 57. We'll just add another step here as well in case, and let's start off with that. So what we have to do is on the startup search bar, type run, and then type in msconfig, and then let's go to services. And let's hide all Microsoft services so it's easier for us to find. And now we have VGC. Now let's just make sure that it's ticked on. Otherwise, let's just refresh it anyway and apply. There you go. It will ask us to restart, so we can restart that after. For now, I will just exit and let's proceed with the other steps. Uninstall and reinstall Vanguard. Now on the startup, just search for Control Panel, Programs, Uninstall a program. Just type in Vanguard. There you go. Uninstall. Just click yes. This program might not have uninstalled correctly. Just say this program uninstalled correctly. And then, now to reinstall, let's just head over to Valorant. And on the bottom right, let's just click update to reinstall Vanguard. When that's done, we just need to restart the computer. The next thing we have to do is to search for services on the search bar. Click on that, press V, and once you see VGC, right click and then click on properties. And then you see startup type, just set it to automatic and then start. Once that's done, just click apply and you're good to go. Now another method we can try is to change the DNS address. So let's go to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, then click on your internet. Now go to Properties, and then go to Internet Protocol version 4, and then Properties again. And by default, it will be on automatic DNS servers, but you have to go and click on Use the following DNS address, and just type 8888 for the alternate server, 8844. And this is actually Google's address, so you're good. Just hit OK, and you should be good. Now if it's still not working, we might have to reset the internet along with clearing Valorant's cache files. So to reset the internet, we have to go to CMD and then right click and run as admin. And then there are 3 codes we have to type in. First, we have to type ipconfig /flush DNS. And the next one is neths winsock reset. And the last code is neths int ip reset. And we just need to restart the computer to complete this action. Now, if it's still not working after the restart, you'll have to try uninstalling and reinstalling Valorant. So in the same way that we uninstalled and reinstalled Vanguard a while ago, just go to Control Panel, Programs, uninstall a program, just type Valorant, and just right click and uninstall. To reinstall, just go to a browser, type in Valorant, just go to their homepage, and just click play for free, and you should be able to reinstall Valorant. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and if this helped you out, you can like and subscribe. See you again next time.